Welcome children to our English class. Children, today we are going to start with fourth chapter of grammar, the noun and its kinds, on page number 17. So let's begin. Children, first of all we need to know what is a noun. Noun is the name of a person, an animal, it can be a name of a place, or it can be a name of a thing. Okay, not only this, nouns can also be name of materials, then qualities, different qualities, okay, then ideas or emotions. Now it will be clear in your mind when we will go through its kinds and examples. Okay. Now children, nouns are of 5 kinds: common, proper, collective, material and abstract. Now see, with examples they have given you the same. We will study about each and every kind in detail, okay, but let us go through the examples which they have given over here, okay. First of all, under common noun, country, city, river, person. Now these are commonly used name, children, okay. Country, it can be any country. City, it can be any city. River, any river. Person, any person. If I am talking about any particular country, any particular city, any particular river, or any particular person, then it falls under proper noun. For example, under proper noun, see the examples given over there: India, Kanpur, Ganga, Ajay. Now here, first of all, talking about India, then I am talking about a particular country, India. So that falls under proper noun. If I simply say country, then it will come under common noun. Okay. Then Kanpur. Okay. Again here, a specific city I am talking about. So that will come under proper noun. Then Ganga. Then I am talking about a particular river, Ganga. Okay, so it falls under proper noun. If I simply say river, it will come under common noun. Then Ajay. I am talking about a particular person, Ajay, named Ajay. So that will come under proper noun. If I simply say person, it will come under common noun. So I hope these two are clear. We will still study each of them in detail. Now under collective noun, they have given you examples like class, army, crew, fleet. Now collective nouns, basically that is the name of a group of persons. Okay, a group is taken and that group is given a name. It can be a group of persons, it can be a group of animals, it can be a group of things. Okay, they are taken together and then they are expressed as one by a name. That name is known as collective noun. Next kind of noun is material noun. Now material noun is the name of a material of which a thing is made. Okay, see here they have given you a few examples: iron, wood, silver and gold. Okay, that again we will study in detail. Next, they are talking about abstract noun. Abstract noun, children, is the name of a quality or an action or a state. For example, bravery, honesty, beauty, liberty, truth, anger. All these are examples of abstract nouns. Okay. Now let us study one by one each kind in detail. First of all, talking about common nouns. Look at the pictures and then read the following sentences. So now children, first of all, we will read out all the 5 sentences which are given and then try to understand the same. Okay, under common noun, first sentence: the doctor treats patients. Second, the monkey sits on the crocodile. Third, there are 2 windows in this room. Fourth, there were 3 sandwiches on this plate. Fifth, the bus runs on 4 wheels. Now, in the first sentence, children, the words doctor and patients are names of persons. I am not talking about any particular doctor or any particular patient. Okay. Then in the next sentence, the words monkey and crocodile are the names of animals. Then in the third one, windows and room are the names of places. Then in the fourth one, sandwiches and plate are the names of things. Then in the fifth one, words bus and wheel are again the names of things. Okay. So here in the green box, you can see the definition for common noun is given. All those words that are used as names, okay, commonly used names of persons, animals, places or things are known as nouns, and all these nouns are common nouns. And children, you have to remember that common nouns never begin with a capital letter unless and until that word comes in the beginning of the sentence. Understood? Now on page number 18, children, a list of common nouns is given. Okay, persons, animals, places and things. So just study it carefully. Okay. And on the same page, children, two exercises are given related with common nouns. Okay. So I will just explain you how you have to do and then you have to practice the same. Okay. Now let us read the instructions, children, first of all, which is very important part before you start any exercise. Okay, read the instructions carefully. Pick the odd ones from these lists and write them on the blanks. Now you have to pick up the odd one out. First one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Moon, Neptune and Saturn. Now these are the names of planets. Now can you see? Just read it out once more and can you find that one particular name is not the name of planet? Yes, Moon. Moon is not the name of a planet. Understood? So that will be written in the blank given, because other words which are given, they are the names of different planets. Mercury is a planet, Venus is a planet, Earth, Mars, Neptune, Saturn, all these are the names of planets. But Moon is not the name of a planet. Okay, so that will come in the blank given. Now one I have explained, rest you have to try it by yourself. Okay, now moving towards the next exercise on the same page. Here you have to write the common nouns given in the box below the pictures. Okay, all these, see here in the box, clue box, common nouns are given: doctor, horse, postman, school, engine, park, flag, bus. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, this is the easiest exercise. You have to look at the picture which is given and then you have to put the appropriate common noun used for that picture. Okay, first one you can easily recognize is a school. Okay, so first one answer will be school. Rest again you have to do it by yourself, try it by yourself. Okay. Now talking about the next kind of noun, children, proper noun. Now what is a proper noun? A proper noun is the special name of a particular person, okay, a particular place or a particular thing. For example, Karan is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular boy. If I simply say boy or boys, okay, then it falls under common noun. But if I am naming that particular boy, children, okay, for example here it is given Karan, then Karan comes under a proper noun. Okay, whenever we use a special name of a particular person, place or thing, then it is known as proper noun. See another example in the next sentence they have given. In the same way, Mumbai is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular city. If I simply say city or cities, then it would fall under common noun. But here I am talking about a particular city, Mumbai. So that falls under proper noun. In the orange box, children, they have given you an important instruction, that is, a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Okay? For example, India, Harry, Patna, Mumbai. Then just see below that orange box. Look at the sentences. These sentences. First one is Sachin lives in Mumbai. Other one also is the same, Sachin lives in Mumbai. But did you notice that in the first sentence they have not mentioned the proper nouns in capital letters? Which are the two proper nouns in the sentence? Sachin and Mumbai. Okay. In the next sentence you can see they have written in capital letters. Sachin, S is capital, Mumbai, M is capital. Okay. So the other sentence is right one. First one is wrong because there they haven't mentioned the proper nouns in capital letter. So this rule you all have to remember, that a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Now let us go through the exercise which is given on page number 19 related with proper noun. First of all, read the instruction. Now, write capital letters wherever necessary. So you are given 5 sentences. You have to rewrite these sentences and you have to check that where the capital letter will come. Okay, as I told you, proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Okay, so first sentence, I will give you the example, explanation, and then rest you have to do. First one, children, is Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Now here you can see 2 proper nouns. First one is Tokyo, name of the city. Another one is Japan, name of the country. Okay, so Tokyo, T will be capital, and Japan, J will be capital. Okay, so you have to rewrite the whole sentence making these 2 letters capital. Then you have to try the next sentences which are given in the same exercise. Page number 19, collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a group of persons, animals and things taken together and expressed as one. Children, when we are talking about a group of persons, it can be a group of animals, it can be a group of things. Then that group is given a name, okay? And that name is known as collective noun. Okay, that name is used for that particular group which is expressed as one. For example, you can see an example is given over here. When many books are kept one above the other, it is called a heap of books. When children, here they have given you an example that many books are there and they are lying one above the other, okay? Then what will you call that particular group of books? A particular name is used for that, that is heap of books, okay? So that is the collective noun. Then here you can see other examples also are given. In the green box you can see army, fleet, herd and class. Now where army is used, children, see below it is given. The word army stands for a collection of soldiers. When we are talking about collection of soldiers, group of soldiers, okay, then which word we use for that? Army. Which name we use for that? Army. Okay. Then in the next sentence, when we are talking about collection of ships, then which word do we use? Fleet. Then in the third one, when we are talking about collection of cows, group of cows, then we use the word herd. Okay. And in the fourth one, when we are talking about collection of pupils, then which word is used for that? Class. Okay. In the next page, children, page number 20, an exercise again is given to you at the top related with collective nouns. Now what you have to do, one example I'll give you. First of all, let us read the instructions given. Now pick the suitable collective nouns from the box and write them on the blank spaces. Now the first one is a bundle of dash. Now above you can see a clue box is given in which many words are there. So you have to find the appropriate one. Okay, a bundle of sticks. Collection of sticks is known as bundle. Okay, so a bundle of sticks. Rest you have to try by yourself. Okay. Now on page number 20, same page children, talking about material noun. First of all, they are asking you to read the sentences which are given below. First one, gold is a precious metal. Second, this chair is made of wood. Third, books and magazines are made of paper. Fourth, cotton is used to make clothes. Now in all these 4 sentences children, the nouns gold, wood, paper and cotton are the names of materials, okay? And these materials are used for making many different things. Okay, so they are known as material nouns. In definition also, same thing is given. See, in the green box, a material noun is the name of a material of which a thing is made. For example, we studied gold, then in the next sentence, wood. You all know that wood is used in making many things, right? Same way, paper, cotton, okay? Now talking about the next kind of noun children, abstract noun, given on the same page below material noun. First of all, we will read the sentences given. First one, the woodcutter was honest. Second, a dog is a loyal animal. Third, Silky is a beautiful girl. Fourth, I love my parents. Now from all these sentences children, 4 sentences which are given, okay, from that the words honest, loyal, beautiful and love are qualities, okay, or states of being. Such words are known as abstract nouns. Now the definition for the same is, an abstract noun is the name of a quality, an action or a state. When we use a particular name for a quality or an action or a state, then that name is known as abstract noun. Okay, here you can see other examples also are given, and if you will go through the same, it will be more clear in your mind. Now here you can see other examples also children. Under the heading action, all these actions, love, hate, anger, pride, all these are abstract nouns. Then when we talk about the quality, for example, bravery, intelligence, honesty, simplicity, all these are different qualities, so they come under abstract noun. Then if we talk about the state, for example, skill, courage, beauty, pain, all these again come under abstract noun. And the last but not the least, ideas. Okay, see under the heading ideas, belief, truth, knowledge, liberty, all these words also come under abstract nouns. So now again, if you will read the above 4 sentences children, you will notice different qualities or states of being are discussed over there. Okay, so I hope all the kinds of nouns are clear in your mind. Now we will go through the working zone given on page number 21, that is the exercises. Now in the first question, question A, page number 21, what you have to do, first of all read the instructions. Column A contains nouns that are names of animals. Okay, you can see in orange column A is given. That box contains names of animals. Okay, column B contains nouns that are names of the shelters of these animals, and column B, which is given in green, that has names of what? Names of shelters, okay, where these animals live. Okay, pick the animal and its shelter from the 2 columns and write on the space provided. One has been done for you. So you have to pick the animal from orange box, and then you have to search for its shelter in the green box, okay, and then you have to write the same in the space given below. For example, first one they have done fish aquarium. Now try the next one. Now question number B on same page. First of all, we will read the instruction given. Look at the words given in the box to pick out abstract nouns and write them on blank spaces. Now what you have to do, children, over here a clue box is given. It has many words, you all might have seen, right? So you have to pick up abstract nouns from that box, and then you have to write down one by one in the space given below. Remember, all the words which are given are not abstract nouns. You have to decide whether a particular word which is given is abstract noun or not, okay? For that, just refer to the part which we studied, what is an abstract noun, okay? And then try to solve this exercise. Now just a random word I will take, okay, from the box. For example, I take pen, which is given in the first line, the second last word, okay. Now you only think, is pen an abstract noun? No, pen is the name of a thing, okay. So it will not come under abstract noun. Abstract noun is the name of a quality or an action or a state. So you have to read it carefully and then put up the words in the blanks given below, okay. So pen word will not come. Now rest you have to find, okay. Now question number C on page number 22. Fill in the blanks with suitable collective nouns. Choose from the box. Now here, children, first of all you have to read the sentences, okay, and then from the clue box you have to choose appropriate collective noun and fill in the blank. Understood? First one is, the ship had a dash of 100 sailors. A collection of sailors, a group of sailors is known as crew, okay. I picked up from the clue box. So you have to first of all think, and then you have to choose the appropriate one and then write down the same. So here, when we are talking about a collection of sailors, a group of sailors, okay, then which word is used? Crew. Okay, so the ship had a crew of 100 sailors. Now the rest you have to try by yourself. Next question on the same page, page number 22, question D. Look at the pictures and complete each sentence below by choosing the right word from brackets. Now in this question, children, instead of clue box, they have given you a few pictures you can see, right? First of all, you have to read the sentences one by one and then you have to find the answer. How you will find the answer? See. Pot is made of dash. Can you see three options are given in the bracket? Clay, wood, iron. So first of all, you think, pot is made of what? Pot is made of wood. Is it made of iron or is it made of clay? Yes, pot is made of clay. So you have to write down its correct answer, clay. Okay? You can underline also along with writing, and then you can see in the picture also it is given. Now in the pictures you can see on 8 number, picture of pot is given. Pot made up of clay. Now rest you have to try by yourself. With this we come to an end of chapter number 4 from your grammar textbook, children. Okay, try to solve all the exercises. You will also get the answer key, but first thing is better you try by yourself and then match it with the answer key and make the corrections if you go wrong. End of session. Hope you all enjoyed it. See you in the next lecture.